Hey guys, so we're at this family farm thing and Boogie is feeding the roosters and
Good.
feeding the
Rooster.
Hudson, you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Here, hold it.
Betsy's gonna do it.
Get it. Here, Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, they're not gonna
Hey
hold it.
guys,
Hudson, don't do that.
stop, that's kind of crazy. Okay, so Daddy's gonna do it because the kids are scared that the chickens and the roosters are going to attack
Mommy,
us.
hold it.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Hold it down.
Look, they're pecking. They're pecking on the
I want to do it.
corn.
Give me it.
Pecking on the corn.
Hold it down.
Just hold it down and they peck at it. You see, they just peck. They're pecking away. They're eating the corn. I'll do it. Let me just do it. You can do it.
Hudson, your turn.
No.
Just hold it out like
Just hold
that.
it. You just
No,
hold
it
it.
scares me when they bite it. It looks like they're biting.
You think they're biting you?
Oh my. Get away.
They're pecking. Chicken in the bread.
Okay, look. See what else?
Focus here. Sadaka's feeding this.
We're feeding the ponies. Let's feed the ponies. We're hungry because we're like
done eating. Hey.
not too crowded yet today. It's early in the morning. And we're gonna feed the cows. Here, look, there's another little black goat.
Oh, he's like it. Hey, little black goats.
Oh, look at this pig over here.
Let's do the pig.
Gonna go to the pig.
Daddy, I have some.
So we have a little black goat. And we have there's turtles. Hi guys.
I don't know what the pig like. I don't know what pig
This is
like.
a little pig. A
Look
little
at the cows.
pig.
How big he is.
So look at these cows. The cow. Look at
Hudson,
that
what are
tongue.
you
Look at that
doing?
tongue. Oh.
Try it
He
again.
grabbed it from me.
Try it
That's
again.
rude.
Here, Boo, here. Try this one.
So
Ooh,
let's
look.
feed the cows. We are to be doing cows. We can feed the cows right now. But we
Ooh,
feed the
big husband out of there. You see that big tongue?
Hey cows. And Danica's gonna go try to feed the cows. Boogie's feeding the cows. Oh, that's so nice, Boogs. Good boy. Danica feed the cow. Hudson's feeding the cow.
Pet him. Pet him, Boo.
Let's see if Danica can feed the cow. Feed the cow. Feed the cow. Feed the cow. Look at that tongue. Those nostrils. Hey, little goats. Don't eat my phone. Okay, okay, we're gonna feed them a carrot
I don't know
now.
if you like that. Let me try it first.
Look at that guy.
Ooh.
Oh, look how strong that cow is.
Holy moly.
What? He ate the carrot in a
Couldn't get it out of his
second.
mouth.
Maybe yes. These are
so
female. I think
strong.
they're females. Strong girl.
Try to pull it out. The
Actually,
big one's coming in. They're fighting over it.
they all
Let
want.
me choose
They all
one.
want.
Give it to Grandpa. No.
The goat wants. The goats want
They
it.
didn't get any.
Let's give it to the goats, maybe.
They like the carrot.
I don't know. They really like the carrots. Okay, so we fed the animals, and now we're on these big tires. The kids are gonna go play. It's not too big. And Daddy is on the swing, like they had at Ryan's. Okay, so they were going really fast, but they just got on. There's Booger, you went on a little one. There's someone else on it right now. Let's see Hutsy. See Mr. Hudson. Whoa! Okay. They're fun little things. Book is on this little barrel thing. I don't know what it is, but he's out there. He's so cute. Right here's Danica. She's big now. This looks like a really cool swing. Wouldn't mind having it in my backyard if I had a backyard. Well, I do have a backyard, but it has a pool, which is very nice. But I'm just saying I'd like this swing. And let's see those on it. Look, they're petting this spotted pig. You like the pig, guys?
Thanks for watching our
Would you like
video.
this
Don't
pig?
forget to like and subscribe. Bye.